These YouTube videos, which have amassed millions of views, did not get their thumbnails from expensive designers. Instead, they were created using a surprisingly affordable and easy-to-use AI thumbnail generator. This tool allows you to create thumbnails like this, or even this in just 2 minutes. For instance, when this text was submitted to the AI, it generated a thumbnail that helped a video reach 2 million views. And trust me, this isn't a lucky accident. I've seen similar results time and time again. If you want to start making better YouTube thumbnails that drive more views in a faster and easier way, then this video is for you. With this AI tool, you can create various types of thumbnails: action-based thumbnails, face and object thumbnails, and even object-only thumbnails. In essence, you can make all 12 of the best performing YouTube thumbnail formats. So let's get started. We're going to use Pixels, which I believe is the best AI thumbnail generator specifically designed for YouTube. Here's how it works. You have two main options to create your thumbnails. The first option is prompt to thumbnail. This is where you provide a text prompt explaining what kind of thumbnail you want to create. The second option is recreate, where you paste in a YouTube link and the AI will generate a new thumbnail based on the proven format of that video's thumbnail. Now let's dive into how to use this tool. First, we'll go with the prompt to thumbnail option and create a thumbnail from scratch. To do that, we need a video topic. I spent some time researching the top YouTubers and noticed that shark-themed videos seem to perform exceptionally well. For example, both MrBeast and Mark Robber have shark diving videos that got over 100 million views. So I decided to create a thumbnail for a video where I go shark diving. My goal is to generate a similar thumbnail to theirs, with me swimming underwater, looking scared into the camera while a shark approaches from behind. To create that, I just had to input a simple prompt into the AI, me swimming underwater, looking scared into the camera with a shark behind me. Once you've provided the prompt, you just hit generate and the AI works its magic. The result? A stunning thumbnail. You can click on the generated thumbnail to view it at a larger size, and it's easy to see that the AI has created exactly what I asked for. We are in the ocean, I'm diving with, and there's a large shark swimming right behind me. It's a perfect match for the prompt. But let's say you're not satisfied with the result. Pixels has a redo button, which allows you to generate a new version of the thumbnail using the same prompt. I tried it, and the new result was even better. The colours are more vibrant, the scene has more depth with fish swimming around, and the person me now looks more realistic and appropriately outfitted for diving. The AI really nailed this one. Now let's say you want to tweak something further. Pixels has an edit button that lets you make changes to the generated thumbnail. For example, I didn't like the expression on the person's face, so I clicked edit and added a new instruction: make the person look happy. I also made sure to keep the rest of the prompt intact so that the rest of the scene remains the same. After generating the new version, it was spot on. The person now looks much happier and less scared, which made the thumbnail more engaging and inviting. This is just one example of how customizable this AI tool is. You can tweak all kinds of elements to make the perfect thumbnail for your video. In addition to facial expressions and other scene details, text is another key feature for making a successful thumbnail. Text can amplify your thumbnail's appeal by acting as a hook that makes viewers curious. For example, with my shark diving video, I could add text like "me shark diving" in bold, bright yellow font. So I did exactly that. My prompt was essentially the same as before, but I added "add the text "me shark diving" in bold, bright yellow font at the top of the thumbnail. Once again, the AI responded with exactly what I asked for. The text "me shark diving" in bold yellow letters was perfectly placed on the image, helping it stand out and grab attention. Text is a crucial element in creating click-worthy thumbnails, and Pixels does a great job of adding it accurately based on the prompts you give. This feature is especially useful for creating thumbnails where the text plays a vital role in driving curiosity. For example, I've seen thumbnails like "I saw him call her" that get millions of views because the text immediately piques the viewer's interest. Similarly, you can create thumbnails with compelling text to make viewers want to click. Additionally, after the AI generates the thumbnail, you can refine the text using external tools like Canva if you want to fine-tune it further or make additional adjustments. One thing that makes Pixels stand out is its ability to create multiple thumbnails in different formats. For instance, I also tried creating thumbnails for niches outside of shark diving. I generated a thumbnail for a futuristic flying car with the text "Fly Don't Drive" in a yellow aesthetic font above it. The result was visually stunning, and I could already picture it grabbing attention in the automotive niche. Similarly, I created a van life thumbnail with a woman sitting on a van on the banks of Loch Ness, and the text "Van Life Reality" in bold yellow. The AI did an amazing job creating these thumbnails that would fit perfectly in their respective niches. What's even better is that Pixels is designed to help creators without design experience. You don't need expensive software or a designer to create professional-looking thumbnails. Everything you need is right at your fingertips with this tool. Now, let's talk about the Recreate feature. This feature allows you to take a successful thumbnail from a YouTube video and recreate it as your own. This is perfect for leveraging proven formats. For example, I pasted the link to a video from Preston with 1.8 million views, and Pixels recreated a similar thumbnail based on the format. But here's the thing, Pixels doesn't copy the thumbnail exactly. Instead, it takes inspiration from it, generating a unique version of the design. This is a great way to tap into successful formats without copying the exact design. You can adjust the inspiration level, low, medium or high, to control how much you want the new thumbnail to resemble the original. I tried all 3 levels and the results were great each time. The key takeaway here is that you're not limited to just one format or style. You can experiment with different inspirations to find what works best for your channel. Some may worry about whether it's okay to replicate another video's thumbnail format. The truth is, top YouTubers have been doing this for years, creating their thumbnails based on what works and what's popular. For example, Ryan Trahan's One-Star Hotels video did incredibly well with a certain thumbnail format. Other creators in the same niche followed suit, using similar designs with their own twist. This shows how effective it is to use proven formats while still making them unique to your brand. The Recreate feature doesn't just help you replicate successful formats, it also allows you to fine-tune your version to make it stand out. So, you're getting the benefit of leveraging proven techniques while still adding your own personal touch. After all, the goal is to make thumbnails that draw attention and compel people to click. To further enhance your creativity, Pixels allows you to swap faces within the thumbnails. For example, after generating a thumbnail with Donald Trump and me, I noticed that the person didn't look exactly like me, but Pixels has a face swap feature that lets you upload a photo of yourself and swap faces, ensuring the thumbnail is accurate to your appearance. Once I uploaded my image and used the face swap, the result was incredibly realistic. I was now in the thumbnail, diving underwater with Trump, with the shark swimming right behind us. It was an eye-catching, action-packed thumbnail that's sure to get clicks. In conclusion, Pixels is an outstanding tool that allows you to generate professional quality thumbnails without needing expensive software or a designer. Whether you're creating thumbnails from scratch, using the Recreate feature, or swapping faces, this tool makes it easy to create attention, grabbing thumbnails that will help you get more views on your videos. If you're ready to take your thumbnails to the next level, you can try Pixels for 30 days by clicking the link in the description below. You are guaranteed to get everything you need to start making thumbnails that drive views and help your videos go viral. So, don't wait. Get started with Pixels and transform your thumbnails today.